Live from Studio 46, this is CBS 2 News.
Well, you've probably noticed that the weather's been a lot like the cyclone at Coney Island with the ups and downs, the twists and turns.
Aside from being disorienting, what is it doing to our health? CBS 2's Dr. Max Gomez is here to tell us how to keep the weather from making you miserable. Dr. Max.
Well, guys, the only sure way to keep from being miserable is a trip to the islands. But this up and down weather can wreak havoc on our skin, our hair, even sinuses as our bodies try to figure out if it's spring yet or still winter. Weird doesn't even begin to describe our weather lately. Last week, 60 degrees and spring was in the air. 2 days later, a snowstorm, then some frigid temperatures, followed by a thaw the last couple of days, and then frigid again. What's a body to do?
When I wake up in the morning, after the heat's been on all night, I can feel it in my skin, my throat, my nails, my hair. Everything is just dry.
Somi Basathia is like so many New Yorkers, trying to figure out how to dress and how to handle these wild weather swings.
My lips are quite dry.
Dermatologist Dr. Bruce Katz says he's seeing many patients coming in with similar complaints. And even though there have been warm days, New York apartments often run their heat based on the calendar, not the thermometer, which means dry indoor air that even some warm days can't overcome.
The weather, when it's cold and then when it gets warm again, it changes on and off, dries out the mucosa inside your nose, inside your mouth.
Your first line of defense is actually something you should be doing in all sorts of weather, cold and hot.
It's really important to drink a lot of water. That'll help your skin, that'll help the nasal mucosa in your mouth, and even your hair.
Another good way to get water into your system is with a humidifier. Run one at night in your bedroom. It moisturizes skin, keeps nose and throat moist, which also helps prevent colds and nosebleeds. But water can also be your enemy. Long, hot showers strip protective oils off your skin. And washing your hair more than 2 or 3 times a week also dries out hair and scalp. And finally, you can just be patient.
I'm looking forward to the warm weather.
Yeah, aren't we all? Now, another tried and true method to combat dry skin is to moisturize early and often. Find a moisturizer you like. It doesn't have to be expensive. Drugstore brands are just as good. And apply it all over right after you shower to lock in the moisture your skin just absorbed. And then, hang on, it's coming. Warm weather, I promise.
Someday?
Well, soon.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Max.